You know what? I just randomly decided that I'm gonna go to the park. Gonna make a pit stop to Will's house. Hey, Will, buddy! Are you up for going to the park?
Yeah, I sure am.
Wow, there sure are a lot of birds at the park today.
Tell me about it.
Let's go! Kind of a steamy day, if you ask me.
Yeah, it's pretty hot, isn't it? Like 98 degrees.
I think it's more than that. Oh, look, a beetle. Ooh, I found two. Do you want a beetle?
No, I like crab more.
Oh, yeah, because you're a coastal bird. Very sunny today. What is that?
I've never seen anything like that in my life.
What is that thing? It's all pink and furry. Hello, I am Dr. Crane. Okay. And I am the person who discovered this critter. Person? This critter has been here since yesterday evening, and no one knows where it came from. I am currently researching it. Can you tell me what it is? It's currently unidentified. Okay. Is this an X-file? What? Bro. Sorry. And there's many conspiracies? Sir? And people think it might be an alien. Aliens! Shut up. So this creature, I am going to call Curly and Toots, the investigators of the case. They're going to investigate it? Yes. They are discoverers and scientists that have discovered many creatures. Cool. So, is this the creature?
Yep, sure is.
It's very mysterious and odd and unidentified.
We need to ask it a few questions, sir.
Indeed. I'll go first. Hey, are you nice or evil? It appears unresponsive. You'll ask it a question. Alright, matey.
Have you, or have you ever been, or are you
a taco fan? Well, we give up. You didn't even try. That's a creature that could be dangerous. Hello, I am Muller, and I am Scully. We are going to be investigating this thing and see what it is. I have absolutely no idea. Guys, are you for real? I am Plantain.
And I'm Cherry. Today, this is on the news.
Yes, a very mysterious creature has been seen at Vireo Park in Bird Place.
Yes, affirmative. And no, it's an unidentified creature, and no one has figured out what it is. Scientists of all over the globe have came to check it out.
Yes, and we still have no idea of what this thing might be.
There's many wild theories, from aliens to creatures we just didn't know about yet.
And my theory is that it could even be someone in a costume.
Yes, it could be. My theory is that it's an alien from Galaxy X.
No, I don't think it's an alien.
Yes, so. And here's a view of it.
Pretty crazy stuff, am I right?
This is very mysterious. Now talking with the owner of the park.
Hello, I'm owner of Vireo Park, and I have absolutely no idea of what this creature is. But I think it may be man-made and could doom us all. And that's very bad.
Absolutely insane. Also now with the weather. The weather is going to be 99 degrees with 100 humidity. That's pretty lethal, right, Plantain? Yes. So, there are still many efforts to learn exactly what this creature is and what it's doing in our park. What's your notes on this, Plantain? There's also efforts to catch this fearsome critter. I'll show you that today.
Curly and Toots are making efforts to catch the mysterious animal. Yes, pretty much so. Yeah. So, yeah, you heard. We are going to catch this creature. Yes. So, we're going to use a fruit that we know it likes. It really likes cheese crackers.
It has been caught stealing them from campers.
And we're gonna put it and trap it with this here cage. Let's go. Yeah. We will set up a live camera to catch this thing in motion. Here it is.
Excellent. Now let's see what it is.
It's in there eating the crackers. Very interesting. Okay, now we can take it and put it into for experimenting.
Yeah. Hello, I'm Bruce.
Hello, Bruce. It is me, Toots, and Investigator Curly.
Hey. May I see this?
We are giving you the cryptid of Vireo Park for testing.
Excellent. Absolutely excellent.
Right. Well, see ya. Interesting.